Hi, Primary 4. So today's handwriting, we're looking at the F join. Okay, I've been really impressed with your handwriting so far. People are joining much better, and last week it was much easier to see each individual letter, so well done. So we're going to start with if. So the F is a tall letter, it goes all the way to the top, and it actually has a tail as well. That one was a bit better, it went a bit closer to the top. Okay, F, then we've got gulf. G-U-L-F. Remember, we can see each individual letter. I think this one could have a little heart. And then we've got puff. Now the F doesn't usually join on to the next letter, so we're going to do the second F separate. I think the last one, give it a little star. After, so you'll see in after, we've got the A and the F are joined, and then the T-E-R are separate. Okay, I think this one have a nice squiggly line. Then we've got wolf. I'm quite impressed with those. And I think the one in the middle got nice fluffy clouds. And I've got another sentence like we did last week. What if a wolf came after you? Now what we need to remember is that we've got a capital letter at the start. Capital letters don't join, so it's separate. Let's see if we can do that one. Oh, didn't do a very good job there. Okay, let's see how you do. Give it a go.